Hello guys, welcome to Angros Physics. Today we are going to discuss the construction of AC generator. First of all, what is AC generator? So AC generator is a machine which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, and it works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Its main parts are armature, axle, magnetic field which we provide with the help of magnetic poles, slip rings, wire, brushes, and to rotate the armature we need a turbine or handle. So let's start its construction. We have to take an armature to wind up the wire. So this is a rectangular shape armature on which we wind up the wire. Let's label it as A, B, C and D. This armature is connected with an axle on which the slip rings are placed. So this is a cylindrical axle on which we will put up the slip rings. So let's connect now the slip rings to the axle. So these are the full rings. So this is the first ring which we label as S1, and the second full ring which label as S2. From these two slip rings we have to connect which is wind up in the armature. So this is the wire which is winded up in the armature two times. As you can see, the first end is connected from S1 and the second end is connected from the S2. Now we have to place this armature in a magnetic field, and to provide a magnetic field we have to take the magnetic poles. So we will take two poles. This is the first one. This pole is North Pole, and the second pole, this one, is the South Pole. These two poles will provide us the magnetic field. When this armature rotates in between these two poles, the electromagnetic induction phenomena will take place and produces the EMF. That EMF's output are taken from S1 and S2 with the help of two carbon brushes. So here are brush 1 and brush B2. Let's label them as B1 and B2. Now you can see that we have made armature, we winded up the wire, then we placed two slip rings on the axle and we connected those two brushes B1 and B2 from the slip rings. Now it's time to connect a handle by which we will rotate this armature. Here, so one handle we have to connect behind the armature. As you can see, this is the handle. With the help of we can rotate this armature. Practically, a turbine is used in place of handles. So the construction of AC generator is completed now. Now we have to see how it works or animate. So one more thing I would like to tell you, how this magnetic field would be there in between the poles. So now we'll see the magnetic field. So these are the magnetic field lines. As you can see, the armature is placed in between these field lines. When it rotates, then it crosses these field lines, so the flux get changed. Dear students, whenever this handle or the turbine placed here is rotated with the help of a mechanical energy, this armature gets rotated and EMF induces across these two brushes. Now we'll see how it animates when we rotate this handle or the turbine placed here with the help of mechanical energy. Now let's animate it. As you can see, this armature is rotating, and just because of the rotation the EMF is being induced, and this brush B1 is getting negative charge for half rotation and positive charge for rest of the hard rotation. So dear students, this is the complete construction of AC generator, and its working we will see in the coming next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel so that you will get the notification at the earliest as we will put up the next video. Thank you very much.